There are more chimps that are coming close to our territory. There are many humans now invading our precious land.
Here comes those logs, you guys! Here comes those logs! That chimp is crazy! Somebody stop him!
And someone said that they saw some humans come into camp, and I think that the humans might have them. Please, you must find her. You have to find her for me.
Hey, look there!
Another monkey!
Ow, bloody hell! Ow, it got me! Ow, bloody hell! Ooh!
But now you must face the truest and hardest challenge of your life. To engage in combat with the Alpha Chimp and take over that almighty role.